Hey friends, this is the Ms. Volfie from our half-acre homestead with a tea break. So I actually had to write it down what I wanted to talk about because I've tried this 3 times and I keep forgetting what I was talking about. So I know in one of my last videos I said that there would be a how does it video coming up soon, or stay tuned for one. He's not done yet. You know, Papa Howie, when he wants to do something and he's going to do it right, he takes his time. And he's not the best cameraman. But what he's doing in the motor coach, I can't get in there and film because it's, you know, kind of tight quarters with what he's doing. It's all a big mystery. But I'm sure when he brings me my camera back, it's going to be full of wonderful stuff that you're going to get to see, and I'm going to get to see for the first time. So it's all a big mystery of what's going on in that motor coach, but you can bet your bottom dollar, good, bad, or indifferent, there is going to be a how does it video. I was going to do my tea break at the quilt frame, but again, I reached for my camera and it needs to be charged and I need to take the info off of it, and Papa's going to be using it the moment he gets home anyway, so you're stuck with a tea break in my office as usual. But there will be the next tea break. I'm hoping I'll be able to do at the quilt frame because I have got to get that done. And I hope you're enjoying the sound better because I bought a microphone. I bought it so that I could sing. I don't know if this is going to be making any weird noises here while I put it back. I bought it so I could sing. Not necessarily for my singing channel, but a lot of people wanted more. Some people were asking me for more singing stuff, and that singing channel's horrible. I'm serious, guys. I'm singing to computer speakers that are playing a karaoke tune, and I'm filming it with a camera. I mean, the absolute worst possible quality. But my son said, if you know, he gave me some ideas and he said, start with a good microphone. So that's what I did. And I've hooked this up so I won't be using my webcam microphone anymore. I use my blue snowball, whatever it is. So there's that. Now, let's talk about Facebook. Facebook is just in a tornado of cow dung right now. Mark Zuckerberg, you know, come on, let's face it. Nobody's surprised that information has been sold. Nobody is surprised. The whole fact that Facebook is free is his excuse to make money off of us. That's it. That's all. And his other thing is, well, if you read the privacy policy, you know what, Mark? Not everybody is as smart as you. I'm a pretty smart person, but I still think I would need a law degree to understand any kind of privacy policy. Why can't privacy policies be simple? Why can't they say, we are never going to sell your information. We are never going to make money off of your back without your consent. Click. Privacy policy. Why does it have to be 6 pages and 7 subfiles long? So what I'm doing is I've had a couple of people mention this social media called MeWe. And so what I've done is I've opened an account with MeWe, our half-acre homestead, Beverley Volfie. And I'm encouraging everybody on my Beverley Volfie Facebook list to go over and join up there. Why? Because there's not 6 gazillion advertisements. Have you ever noticed if you search for something on Google and then you go an hour later or the next day and you go onto Facebook and they're showing advertisements for the exact thing that you were searching for? Yeah. So, I mean, the whole point of MeWe is they say, we are not for sale. Good enough for me. So I went over to MeWe. So if any of you guys get notifications from MeWe saying this is from Beverley Volfie. It's legit. I am starting a new social media page. I'll probably keep my Facebook, but we'll see. We'll see how good the turnout with MeWe is. And, you know, you come on over there, you post pictures and happy messages and newscasts and everything, but there'll be no advertising. Right? Anyway, so that's kind of what's going on. I have my hands in here are really sore, so it's quilting is becoming really difficult. But I'm about to get off of here and go and put some music on and do some quilting. So this is the Mrs. Volfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying, stay tuned. There is a how visit. There is a visit. There is a how does it video on whatever work he's doing on the inside of that motor coach. And yeah, that's about it. All right. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend and join me over at MeWe and let's see if we can thumb our noses at Facebook. Take care. God bless.